Hi, this is David Davis from ActualTech Media. We're live here at VMworld 2016 in Las Vegas. I'm excited to be joined by Mr. Chris Noordyke, who's the Chief Revenue Officer of Blue Medora. How you doing, Chris?
Great, David. How are you?
I'm great. So, VMworld, big keynotes, big announcements, lots of talk about, management and cloud computing and software-defined data centers and, efficiency, especially efficiency. And I know that's something that you guys specialize in really at Blue Medora is, management and efficiency.
Absolutely.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about your new True Visibility Suite?
Absolutely. So for the last 2 years, we've been developing individual management packs for vRealize. We started by building a few in the infrastructure suite, and we've gotten to over 30 management packs now. So to make it easier, we've aligned these management packs to the same way that customers are buying vRealize. So we have a standard pack, an advanced pack, an enterprise pack.
Okay, so I'm most familiar with Blue Medora, like you said, through your management pack. Yep. So if someone has vRealize Operations Manager, they have maybe an Oracle database, they have a particular storage vendor, they want to bring it all together into the single pane of glass, which actually vRealize Ops is so extensible. It can really, you can manage just about anything with VROps. You guys have been really the primary leader in making that possible with all these different management packs like you talked about. So tell us about the different suites and what's in the different suites and how do they help companies?
Absolutely. And again, they're aligned to how VMware is licensing vRealize. So we have a standard suite that has compute and EMC storage. And this is a big announcement for us because September 1st, which is in 2 days, it will be the first time those have been made available for a standard. Previous to that, they were only available to advanced. So VMware has worked with us and enabled those. So any standard or vSOM customer now has access to all of our server management packs and EMC management packs. We have our advanced suite, which is all the infrastructure. So it's going to be networking, compute, load balancers, storage.
Okay.
And then our enterprise is where we bring the applications and layer those in. So various applications like SAP, all of the databases, which is where we've spent the majority of our time developing, and all of the other connectors. So a customer could bring SolarWinds into their environment, and you look at it through VROps. They could also bring in Microsoft SCOM.
Very nice. So do you have any kind of customer stories or case studies or anything you want to share about, how have companies taken, gone from multiple management tools to bring it together into a single tool? I know VROps, you can customize it with NOC dashboards, different dashboards for different application groups and different silos that make up, the IT organization. Anything you want to share about that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I was with a financial firm last night, and they've been with us now for 6 months. They had just a ton of tools sprawled. So they had 6 different tools for different parts of their IT organization. And their CIO wanted one pane of glass, and they wanted to be able to see all of their information in one place. So we've effectively been able to do that. We've brought in all of their infrastructure and a number of their databases, but we've also taken the tools that, say, their networking team is using and brought those metrics into VROps. So the networking team can still use that tool, but ultimately have it go to one place.
Very nice. So, people, do the single pane of glass in double quotes because it's been so hard to create, but you guys are really making it possible. And then companies are able to tie their IT group back to real metrics for the company, service level agreements for high availability and performance for different applications and services, and really make the software-defined data center, possible.
Absolutely, and even in capacity planning, right? We can take what vRealize has done for the virtual layer and expand it across. So whenever there's planning or additional resources that are needed, there's great tools to do that.
Very nice. So what's in the future for Blue Medora?
Great question. So in 30 days, we will be introducing our own platform called Select Star, and it will be exclusively for databases. We're really targeting the DBA that is managing 5 to 7 databases where we can provide solid analytics and deep dive tools.
Very nice, very nice. Well, I look forward to that. Excellent. Thanks so much for your time today, Chris.
All right, thanks, David.